Family, Judy Neal here, your marketing director with a word of the week. Today's word is broadcast. You only get one chance to make a first impression. So this is your friendly reminder that when you put a new listing on the MLS, make it look great. Perfect even. You want professional, high quality photos. You want professional, well-written descriptions, because when you hit active, it will syndicate across the internet. We will use that information to generate our just listed eblast. It's a part of the program at Legacy Real Estate. And we will promote and broadcast your new listing to thousands of realtors where your listing is located. Also, we will promote your listing on Legacy's Facebook and Instagram pages. We highly recommend that you broadcast your listing. Use Legacy Real Estate's smart CRM BoldTrail to highlight broadcasting in mass email marketing, or text messages, or voicemail drops and landing pages, playbooks, and much more. Check out all these great resources just available to you at Legacy Real Estate. First, check out some playbooks. When you log into BoldTrail, playbooks is one of the first sections right in the middle of the dashboard. There's 3 different options: one to promote a listing, gather your sphere, or work your sphere. In the promote a new listing section, you can select the listing that you want to promote. Click the view button and it gives you an actual playbook step by step of how to broadcast your listing, announcing your listing and the steps, leveraging on social media and the steps, follow up and communicate and the steps. Playbooks are a great resource for getting the word out there and promoting or connecting with your sphere of influence. Check that out. Another easy way to broadcast your messages is to use a scheduled mass email. Go into the marketing section and scroll down to scheduled mass emails and click get started. In this section, you want to start the email, so we'll click the button that says schedule email. Left to right, who are we going to send it to? There's 3 different options. You can use a saved filter, select the box and enter the filter. You can use it by hashtag, maybe it's all contacts or any hashtags you have in your system. Or you can mark it by status and then enter the status of the contacts you want to reach out to. And then schedule the date and time you want it to go out. Remember, all emails have to be sent out 24 hours in advance and times are Eastern Standard Time. Select your templates, which automatically inputs the subject line. You can edit and schedule and send out. It's that easy to get a broadcast email out to your sphere of influence. Another great way to broadcast is through video, email, text messages in the contacts section. You can select all the contacts you want to market with a maximum of 250 contacts per page. There's so many great resources to broadcast your messaging. So check it out. Go into the More section under Support Resources for more information on any of these items. For more information about this or other Legacy tools, click the Learning Portal link or visit legacylearncenter.com.